Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add page border in Publisher document. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show add page border. Now, go into the insert menu option, then click for draw text box. Now, draw a wall page. Draw a text box. Now going to the format option, then click for a shape outline option. Now click for a choose color. Now I choose from a black color. Then again click for shape outline. Now click for widget option. Then click for 6pt. That is. Then issue add page border in Microsoft Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.